I'm Jill Guthrie and I work for Wilmot Dixon Construction as a Senior BIM Manager for the Northern region. BIM is, in the simplest terms, where we virtually build the building in a virtual environment. But what that means for sort of the rest of the industry is we all collaborate and into one federated model.
So I'm Pryderu, I'm the project manager with M-SParc. I'm really excited to be here this morning. It's a cracking session that we've had from Jill and Futurium, and I think it's very, very important for the industry to catch up with BIM and the latest developments. So yeah, really excited to be here this morning.
Hi, I'm Hayley Carpenter. I'm co-founder of Futurium. Futurium is a new company specialising in new technology within the architecture, engineering and construction industry. The idea of the company was that combining marketing, communication, art, strategy and new technology was an opportunity within this landscape to really develop innovations and solutions.
Yeah, very good. Well set up, quite informative, especially for those in a particular part of construction, i.e., you know, architectural practice, especially BIM. It's not often in North Wales that we see big publicly funded projects, you know, with implemented BIM.
Very true.
So it's an ideal opportunity for us to take someone who's in the know, who's been doing it for a while, and take their professional expertise on board.
I felt it was quite succinct as well, and the information was quite relevant. The previous conferences that I've been to, they didn't really tell you much about what you needed to know, whereas this was very much hands-on, ground floor.